Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer C, well done. If you'd like to hear my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. So the diagram shows an area of 0.1 meters squared, normal to a line connecting it to a point source of gamma radiation. The source emits photons uniformly in all directions. So we've got photons to the left, to the right, in and out of the page, all different directions. The area and the source are separated by a distance of 2 meters. The source emits 5,000 gamma photons per second. So it's 5,000 gamma photons going in every single direction. How many photons pass through the area every second? It's that area there every second. Well, we can think of that area as lying on a sphere with a radius of 2 meters, and 5,000 of those photons will go through that entire sphere every second. So if I just find the fraction of the area compared to the area of the sphere and multiply that by the number of photons per second, I'll get the number of photons that go through that area. Well, the area of a sphere is given by 4 pi r squared. And in this particular case, the radius is 2 meters. So the area of the sphere is 16 pi. So the number of photons going through that area is going to be 5,000, the total number of photons, multiplied by the fraction of area that area is compared to the area of a sphere. And put that into your calculator, you'll discover it's 10 photons per second. Answer C. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please press the like button. Please leave comments below, particularly if you'd like a particular question you'd like me to look at. And I hope you'll share this video and watch more of them in the series.